Hello everyone, this is Ron, and in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide how to turn Airtable into a powerful and easy to use CRM. So whether you're a freelancer, small businessman or a startup, Airtable can manage your leads, clients and sales pipeline all in one place, no coding needed. Now let's get started. Just go to Google, search for Airtable, click on this first link here. You will be land up on the official page. On the top right side corner, just go and click on sign up for free. Here you will find this option to make an account. You can use with single sign on Google as well as with Apple. I would like to go with the Google. Here I will select one of my ID here and then just go and click on continue. For those who don't know, Airtable is like a smart spreadsheet with superpowers. You can build databases, automate tasks and visualize your workflow. And with the right setup, you can use it as a fully functional CRM. You can store contact, you can track interaction, you can manage sales pipeline, collaborate with your team, all in real time. So here, let's enter our company name here, which I will mention here, Filex Express. And once done, just go and click on hit the enter, which industry you are in. So I will just write here media and click on enter, which team you are working on. So I'm working on marketing and content. Now here, so they will ask you some basic information here, so you can just change it. So develop a content calendar app to plan, schedule and manage media campaigns across various platforms for File Express. Yeah, I want to do this, but if you want to go with something else, you can change it. For example, I will just go and click on change suggestion and it will change suggestion here. Right, so here you can see there's a different kind of prompts here. You can change your prompts, you can add your own prompts here. So basically just like ChatGPT, which help you to make. So let's click on build it. Now within few seconds it will start building on here, and you can see here it's thinking. By the time it will start building, on the right side you will able to see the entire thing what is happening. So it is building an influencer tracking app for Filex Express to manage collaboration and measure influencer impact on campaigns. As you can see here, so it gives a spreadsheet name, that is an influencer. It created into a different section here. This is an influencer name, email, phone number, and this is profile picture. By the way, it took random information here, right? And we have the full potential, full authority to change every information we want, right? So it gives a lot more information because I asked them to make it in a detail here, right? So here you can see there's a follower count, engagement rate and everything. Now you can see here it started building, it's adding AI powered enhancement. So let's wait, and once done I will get back to you. So this is, it created a lot of things here. You can see this is the data, automation, interface, and here the forums and everything. But I remember one thing, this video was regarding to make a CRM, right? So let's go to new chat here and let's build a CRM. To do this, first of all, we have to enter the prompt. So here I have made a complete detailed prompt here. Create a simple, beginner friendly CRM system in Airtable. I want three main tables here. There's the first one is a contact, there's a companies, and I give short information that it should include company name, industry, website, company size, and LinkedIn contacts here. Then there's a deal, and also create a Kanban view for deal, group by deal stages, filter view, and for high value deals and overdue follow-ups. And you can see here enable automation like sending an email when a deal is marked won. So let's go and hit the enter bar here, and it will start thinking and it will start making the entire CRM for us. But here you can see creating form with Omni is not available yet. Ask support for guidance on creating form manually. Now here I will just give one more prompt, and I will not include this time forms here. Now let's see what Airtable does now. As you can see here, this action is not currently supported. Contact support team for guidance on alternatives. To fix this up, I will just go back to home here, click on this create. Now build an app on your own or build an app with Omni. So I'm just going to use Omni here. Now I will paste the entire prompt once again, and let's go and click on build it. And now it's working. I think now it started working perfectly fine here. I was facing some kind of issue here. I hope you don't find the same issue. Now it started making here. Now this is a contact, so which I gave the contacts, and I want a field. Fields are basically full name, email, phone, and job title, last contact, notes. Okay, and here basically it's adding all this information and days since last count. Okay, so it's added a new column here, which is basically I like this. So it also adding the information on its own, and all this information is pretty much random here, right? As you can see, a John Doe, obviously it's a random, right? Now it went to this company section. So this is our company section, and it's going exactly what I needed, but I want to check that how it's going to make regarding this LinkedIn contact here. So it start, okay, the agent started generating, and once done, I will get back to you and I will show you how it's done. So it's making pretty fast. It went to the deal section right now. Now once we will get to the Kanban, then it will like to be really good how it's make. So it's started making beginner friendly. Okay, now it's done. Yeah, I thought we have to wait a lot, but no. Now your beginner friendly CRM app is designed to efficiently manage contacts, companies, and deals and everything here. Okay, that's fine. And here, so this is our contacts. Now let me just, I want to preview this entire thing here. I want to go to the contacts. I want to add a record. So I will add myself here, right? Let me just add the information here, and I will just write the phone number, and that's a link company. Now let's say I will just write here, I will want to make a new company. Will it give me an option? No. Okay, so I have to add it from here, I guess. And let's just go and click on create. Okay, so record created successfully here. That's pretty nice here. Now if I just go and check out the contacts and the companies here, it should show me up. And you can see here it started showing me. I have this option to edit this up. Okay, so this is three dots. I can just change the entire thing here, and obviously I can create automation, which I wanted to do this, but in the new prompt I removed this automation. So we can just create automation, for example, that once the deal is won, it should get triggered and I should receive an email regarding that, right? So that is really useful thing here. Now this is the data. So this is the entire interface here. That is how we are going to interact with this CRM, right? And this is the data. So you can consider this as a sheet or backend, and it will show you each and every information here. So even though if I just add information here, automatically it will show up in the interface here. So I can add it from here as well as from the data. Now once done, once you are okay with it, you can add more changes here. You can keep going back and forth here, and you will able to do so. Now let's go and click on share, and I can invite my collaborators here. I can share to the web here. So here you can see if I just copy the link and paste it in a new tab. Now let's open. Now this is the exactly the complete Airtable here. Now it's looking perfectly fine. So this is a backend, and here this is perfectly nice, and I can view this up. So this is really nice. And once we are okay with it, interface has unpublished changes. So let's go and click on publish each and everything here and click on publish. Now automatically it will get published here. You can share it up, but I don't want to share right now. And this is the interface, guys, which we just made by using a prompt. And I did on a real time, and I didn't pause this video, right? So you can see here, this is really interesting. You can add all this information. So if this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe, and comment below with your questions or favorite Airtable tricks, where we can just innovate more and find new tricks to make or enhance our work a lot. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.